Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng iyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see. Energies ng inyong kaperahan for April. Moth. Moth is about intuition, your instinct. So, maaring very on point yung inyong pakiramdam. Ngayong April. Makakabuti siya, lalo na kung meron kang mga desisyon na gagawin ngayong April sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, or sa investment na papasukin mo. Kasi, kumbaga, mas clear sa'yo, no? Nakikita mo yung vision mo, or meron kang parang may predictive energy ka na alam mo kung ano yung whatever will work for you and ano yung hindi. Ano yung reliable, ano yung hindi. So, example, gusto mo magnegosyo, no? Magiging malakas yung pakaramdam mo kung yung negosyo ba na papasukin mo ay magbibigay sa'yo ng abundance or magiging successful, or kung lilipat ka ng trabaho, ito ba yung magiging mabuti para sa'yo. So, your instinct, your intuition will help you in making major decisions. Also have energy ng Taurus, so pagiging practical and productive. And I think you will also experience some pleasurable na activities. Pwedeng meron kang pagkakagastusan na medyo luxurious or engrande. But I think yan yung magi-inspire sa'yo to work more, to better yourself, diba? Na-improve pa yung sarili mo. Kasi, kumbaga, yung inspiration na yon na may experience mo yon all over again. Diba? Yun yung parang magpupush sa'yo na magtrabaho pa. You also have energy ng Leo, which is expression, creativity. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are very creative. You were going to use your talents, your skills, your energy to explore new opportunities. Meron ding good news na parating sa inyo. Maaring good news na sa work mo, meron kang travel opportunities, papadala ka sa ibang lugar for training or for convention, ganon. So, this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng iyong money, energy ng career, and if you don't have work, so ito yung energy. Bottom of the deck, Six of Wands. Success, triumph, victory. So, kung sa work, meron kang pinasok talaga. Kung meron kang sinalihan na contest, maaring ikaw yung mananalo, no? Or, i-recognize yung talents mo, yung skills mo, yung performance mo sa trabaho. Pwedeng may isa-celebrate ka na achievement. Wow, the Empress, This is abundance, Nine of Pentacles, wow. Scorpio, financially, I see a lot of growth, opportunities, accomplishments. Maaring sa career mo yan or sa business. Overall energy na Nine of Swords, nako, marami ka iniisip. Maraming obligasyon, maraming kailangang ayusin, asikasuhin. But I see this as a good problem. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang nito time management. At kalmahin yung sarili mo. Kasi maaring nag-aalala ka sa mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga dapat ipag-alala. Okay, your challenge is the Four of Swords. So, maaring yun nga, pahinga. Kulang sa pahinga yung iba sa inyo. Minsan kasi pag marami tayong goals, marami tayong gustong ma-achieve sa buhay, parang pinagsasabay-sabay natin, no? Kaya, ayun nga, marami kang kailangang isipin, alalahanin. So, give yourself some time to take a rest para makarecover ka kaagad. And then, your opportunity is the Wheel of Fortune. So, this is destiny. This is also karma. So, ano naman yung ibinibigay mo, ini-effort mo sa career, sa trabaho mo, you're going to receive it. Okay? Makukuha mo rin yun. And you have the opportunity to make some changes in your career, in your finances, in your business. So, the wheel is turning in your favor. So, kumbaga, ano man tong opportunity na darating sa'yo, ito yung magiging pabor sa'yo. Okay? Kaya nga siguro meron ka ritong decision making na gagawin, and yung iyong instinct, yung intuition mo, yun yung tutulong sa'yo para ma-achieve mo yung best possible decision. And then your blessing is the Eight of Wands. Maraming blessings, no? Oo, kanina ko pa ito sinasabi yung good news. Maaring parang sabay-sabay yung good news for you. Kung may plano ka mag-abroad, so maaring maayos na yung requirements, yung mga kailangan mong papeles. Some of you, this is travel opportunities, like going to different places for work, no? So, lalo na yung mga nagta-travel for work. I also see you na meron kang aasikasuhin, no? Kaya siguro, medyo stress ka. Pero, time management lang talaga ang kailangan mo para magampanan mo lahat. Energy ng iyong money. So, you have the Emperor. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are a businessman, businesswoman. CEO vibes, no? Maaring kayo ay investor or meron kayong gino-grow na business or investment na pwede ring nagma-manage para sa'yo. And yung iyong disiplina pagdating sa pag-handle ng pera, talagang disiplinado ka. Then your career, you have the Devil. Naku, ang daming temptation pagdating sa career mo. And this is also the time for you na ma-realize kung ano yung nakakabuti para sa trabaho mo, ano yung hindi. Yung iba, example, nagpupuyat. Oh. Alam mo naman may trabaho ka kinabukasan or meron kang kailangang i-accomplish, pero magpupuyat ka pa rin. So, anything unhealthy na ginagawa mo sa trabaho, yung habit mo, this is something that you need to work on or i-release or i-let go. And then, for those na wala namang work, you have the Ace of Swords. Maaring meron kang kakausapin or someone will offer you an opportunity to earn money. Pero syempre, kailangan use your discernment. Kasi pwedeng itong ino-offer na to ay may kapalit o kaya naman scam, no? So, kaya nga yung instinct, intuition mo, yan ay pagaganahin mo para alam mo agad kung ano yung makabuti sa'yo, ano yung hindi. Collaboration, so working with others, nakapareho mo ng goals, o yung iba sa inyo may career growth, opportunities are coming your way, pwedeng may increase ng sweldo or promotion, and at the same time, maingat ka na rin sa pag-handle ng kaperahan mo. Kasi hindi porket meron kang pera, gagastusin na ng gagastusin. Kasi ang pera, hindi lang ginagastos yan. Sinisave rin yan at ini-invest. So, new rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Yes. May new rhythms, may mga pagbabago, may mga opportunities. So, kailangan daw, open ka para magtiwala at maging flexible sa mga pagbabago na yan. Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you now. So ito na yon, powerful message for you, Scorpio, na maging malakas ang iyong pakiramdam, mas maging sensitive ka sa opportunities around you. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.